Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Pictory for e-learning video creation. So here is a step-by-step guide to using it. You will just create an account on Pictory and log in easily. And the term of e-learning refers to the delivery of education and training through digital resources. So basically you will just choose the video creation method, script to video. So you will just also use it chat GPT, and you will just give them command like generate script on digital. You will just give them command to on creating article. So you will just simply follow it. You will just simply copy it the script. So you will just go back in Pictory. So what gonna do, you will just choose the video creation, which is text to video. Just tap on it simply and just paste it here. You just wait for the moment of save changes and just tap on proceed. So please wait while the video storyboard is being created. So finally my video is ready of e-learning video. So basically you will just choose the video creation method, script to video, article to video, and you will just edit videos using text, upload a raw video and edit it via text. So in this way you will just use Pictory for e-learning video creation. So I will just play it and let's see.
Script for digital article creation.
So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.